Are you tired of diets and exercise routines that promise dramatic weight loss but deliver disappointing results? You meticulously count calories, diligently hit the gym, yet the pounds cling on stubbornly. The truth is, there's more to achieving a healthy weight than simply cutting calories and burning energy. Inside each cell reside tiny powerhouses called mitochondria, responsible for converting the food we eat into usable energy. Understanding the role of mitochondria in weight management can empower you to break free from conventional weight loss approaches and embrace a transformative journey towards lasting health. Imagine miniature power plants humming within each of your trillions of cells. That's the world of mitochondria. These remarkable organelles, often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell, are responsible for a vital process called cellular respiration. Mitochondria convert the nutrients we consume into a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy currency of our cells. When our mitochondria are healthy and functioning optimally, they efficiently produce ample ATP, providing our bodies with the energy they need to thrive. However, when our mitochondria are compromised, our cellular energy production plummets, leading to a cascade of metabolic consequences that can sabotage our weight loss efforts. Optimizing mitochondrial health is not merely about achieving a certain number on the scale, but about unlocking our body's full potential for vibrant health and longevity. Now that we appreciate the vital role of mitochondria in energy production, let's delve into how their dysfunction can sabotage our weight loss efforts. When our mitochondria are compromised, they become less efficient at converting food into energy. This metabolic slowdown can lead to a buildup of unused glucose and fatty acids in our bloodstream and within our cells, contributing to weight gain. Impaired mitochondrial function can lead to insulin resistance, a condition in which our cells become less responsive to the hormone insulin, which normally helps regulate blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance further exacerbates weight gain by promoting fat storage and making it even harder for our bodies to access stored fat for fuel. By understanding the factors that contribute to mitochondrial dysfunction, we can empower ourselves to make lifestyle changes that support their health and reignite our metabolism for lasting weight loss. Our bodies are remarkably adept at communicating their needs, often sending subtle signals when something is amiss. One of the most telltale signs of struggling mitochondria is persistent fatigue, even after a good night's sleep. If you find yourself reaching for that extra cup of coffee or sugary snack just to power through the day, it might be a sign that your mitochondria are crying out for support. Another common symptom is stubborn weight gain, particularly around the midsection. Paying attention to these subtle cues and addressing them proactively can help you optimize your metabolic health and achieve sustainable weight loss. Supporting mitochondrial health is not about following a restrictive or complicated regimen, but rather about making simple yet powerful lifestyle changes that nourish our cells and optimize their function. One of the most impactful ways to support mitochondrial health is through a nutrient-dense diet rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. Incorporate a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, particularly those rich in antioxidants like berries, leafy greens, and brightly colored peppers. Embrace healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, which provide the building blocks for healthy mitochondrial membranes. Managing stress is crucial for mitochondrial health. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Prioritizing quality sleep is paramount for mitochondrial rejuvenation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. In addition to lifestyle modifications, certain supplements can provide targeted support for mitochondrial health. One such supplement is coenzyme Q10 or CoQ10, a potent antioxidant naturally produced by our bodies that plays a crucial role in cellular energy production. By embracing a holistic approach that prioritizes cellular health, we can unlock our body's true potential for lasting weight loss and vibrant well-being. Take charge of your health today and discover the transformative power of supporting your cellular powerhouses.